What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, I had to start this one off. Unfortunately, we lost one of our good friends, brother even, Richie Shannon this week, who sadly passed away. So it was him and Calvin that actually invited me into this YouTube world. And then we started the channel, like originally called CF10 Official. Richie literally showed me how to edit, how to film, how to choose music. You name it, this guy literally guided me throughout the whole process. Although we didn't continue making videos together, like we always would be on the phone, congratulating each other on like our wins and then comforting each other on our losses and you name it, you know, we were just always in touch. The guy lived down the road from me. Yeah, it's a bad start to the year, but as like a small tribute to such a large character, I put together some of my favourite moments that we shared together. We're lucky enough to have actually captured these moments on camera and made like endless memories that will live on forever and ever and ever. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this as much as we did making it.
What's going on, people? My name is Richie. I am a freelance photographer and also a tech guy for CF10 Official, the key to the city. When it comes to this channel, you're going to be getting the best when it comes to tech, all sorts of gadgets, and trust me when I say it's going to be nothing but big things happening in 2017. So keep it locked. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's CF10 Official. James, Calvin, and myself, Richie Rich. We are currently on the way to get some business cards for this man.
Yep.
Because he's about to be hustling, bustling with the finest people in Cardiff right about now. Why? Because the three of us are on our way to a little event which we've been invited to called the A Broke Trader Go Italian. But for right now,
We're in a Maserati.
we are currently in another win for James, of course. We're in a very souped up Maserati, to say the least.
The new 4x4, the Levante. First time I've driven one. Pretty much the first time I think I've seen one on the road. I think that goes for all of us.
Well, it's definitely the first one I've seen. It's probably one of the most beautiful SUVs that I've seen so far.
Quick thanks to the guys on Maserati.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we're gonna have a nice little time, and we're gonna show you what this experience is all about. So don't go nowhere. Keep it locked here. CF10 Official. Boom.
Bang. What do you reckon, Rich? How are you feeling?
You know what? You know what? I ain't gonna lie to you, man. When you told me the price of this car, I was pleasantly surprised. But in that respect, though, man, this car is absolutely insane. Yeah. Some of the stuff, I mean, like, you know, you can put 4 phones in there, wireless charging, Bluetooth. It's just off the hook, and like the touch pads and everything, it's sick. And when this thing moves, it moves, it shifts. Trust me when I say that, it absolutely shifts.
This is my first ever time going in a Ferrari.
Pray for you.
First Ferrari experience.
Oh, definitely the first Ferrari experience. Yeah, and it won't be the last.
Yeah, put your belt on, bro.
Yep. Safety first, man.
What's that?
What are you saying?
Mate.
How was it?
Amazing. Enough said. Amazing.
Yeah, say no more. I'll slide it up and down your leg. Okay. What? Oh, take that out. Take that out. You let it. Not gonna live that on the
And that stays in. That's gotta stay in.
That's gonna stay in.
Judges, please remember the fact that he just said that. I'm gonna be worried about anything I do with this man from now on. We're checking out some of the shoes. I've seen about 3 or 4 shoes that I definitely want to buy.
Yeah, well, he needs to remortgage his house.
He needs to remortgage his house.
But they look good, so I might actually have to get one.
But not only that, when it comes to this event though, I mean, like you said, we pulled up in a Maserati. This event is sponsored by Maserati and a whole heap of other contributors. Ducati as well. There's some bikes roaming around as well. And trust me when I say, this place is just, you should see, well, you'll get the general idea when you watch this video back, man.
And just for the record, we didn't need goodie bags to say that we're the best dressed people in there.
Just saying, of course, standard issue, CF10 Official, you know how it is. You know,
you know, this is how we do. You
I
know?
walked in there looking like Sex on the Beach. What can I say?
He thinks so. He thinks so. Like, you know, the owner was a bit reluctant, but he said, "Nah, you can have one. You can have one." You know.
Come on now, look at the prints on the jacket.
Come on.
Curtain's finest. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Your nan's finest.
See, we already know about these haters, but it's all right.
So anyway, we are gonna go and grab some food. But until the next time, this has been the CF10 official signing out.
CF10 out. Peace.
Peace.
So yeah, there is some of our best memories. You're going to be sorely missed, and I owe you more than words can even describe. Yeah, this isn't the average format for a video, but a meaningful one all the same. Today, I'm going to be discussing some of the very best mods you can buy for your Mark III Audi TT for under £50. And if you're like me, you like a bargain, so let's get into it. If you like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button to ensure you don't miss out. If you think I've missed anything from this list, then please drop them down in the comments, as I do read every single one. And before we get into the list, there is a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned so you can grab yourself some freebies, nice and easy. Okay, so coming in at number 5 is the S-Line lock covers. At the very, very small price of £10, the small edition is something you'll see every single time you open the doors. Aside from making the car feel more personalised, for me it's the attention to detail that these things add to the car which really catch my eye. If you got a TT RS, you can also get RS versions of these as well, and as you know, all you got to do is check the description because I'm going to link all the items below. Okay, so moving on to number 4, we have the paddle extenders. You've got loads of different variants of these. You can go black, red, carbon fiber, forged carbon, you name it, the options are there and they're pretty much endless. I paid £40 for mine and they're one of my favourite additions. Took 2 minutes to install, as you can see from the video, which again, linked in the description if you haven't seen it. £40, absolute bargain, get it on your car, make it stand out from the crowd. Number 3, we've got wheel spacers, and although I haven't actually got these on my car yet, I will have them. I've looked around on the internet, they start at like £36 and they go all the way up to 50. You can pay more, and don't forget that you have to buy the long bolts to go with it. They come in at about £2 a piece, so technically this is over £50, but I guess, you know, if you can't afford the wheel bolts to go on the car as well, then you shouldn't be looking. Okay, so number 2, I've got black S-Line badges, or black badges in general. It takes absolutely nothing and it doesn't cost anything to take the badges off the car. So if you're looking for a stealthy look where you can go all blacked out, or you can even get the black and red S-Line badges, really, really cool. £5.99 I paid for mine off eBay. Again, if you want to get the black Audi rings, then that'll cost you a little bit more. But for £5.99, if you're looking to just change the exterior of your car ever so slightly, you can't go wrong. £6, bargain. Okay, and number 1 on my list, this isn't in order of priority, but this is going to be a controversial one all the same. For me, I really, really like the in-cabin lighting. You can jump on eBay, spend like less than £10, and you can get some really cool LED lights that you can fit either in the footwell or under your seat, like you're looking at a picture here. So many people have asked me about this that I had to include it on the list. Don't get me wrong, there are other things, like I said. If you think there's better ones that I've missed out, chuck them in the comments. I'll definitely take notice. Again, this isn't a biblical list either. You have your own car, this is just my opinion. If you don't like it, then don't rinse me. But yeah, if you don't like it, it's your car, man. You put on whatever you want. But yeah, these in-cabin lights are just amazing. In the night, it lights up the car, lightens up the cabin, and it makes the car really unique. You can get multicolored options, you can go red, blue, white, yellow, you name it, purple. It's all there. I just think for the price, the bang for your buck that's a no-brainer, absolute no-brainer. And that wraps it up here. So I guess what you want to know now is how you win our giveaway. We are giving away 2 sets, obviously, a pair of the S-Line lock covers. I'm going to make this one really, really easy. All you have to do is DM me saying that you want the S-Line covers on Instagram or on Facebook. Just find me, I'm always there, links in the description again. DM me saying that you want the locks. In a week's time, I'll allocate everyone who messaged me a number, I'll do a random lottery, and then I'll announce the winner on Instagram. Nice and easy. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got your own ones, drop me links, talk to me. Big up all the TT groups, whether it be on Facebook or Instagram. You guys are lit, man. Amazing community, probably the best car community I've been a part of. So yeah, thank you very much for your support. You guys are sick. Yeah, if you like the video, hit subscribe, press the like button, share it with your mates, and yeah, we'll catch you next week. Big video pending, that's all I'm saying.